All right, what's up everybody? It's Adam here at FirstSpear, and today we want to go over split bar tubes. We want to talk about what they are, how you can buy them, and then go over installation on some of our platforms as well as some of the accessories that you can use with the split bar tube. So what is a split bar tube? As you will see here, it is a tube, whether it's a male or a female, and there's two splits in it on the 4-inch or a single split on the 2-inch tube. And what that does is this allows us to rapidly change these out or install these on platforms. When you buy these things from us, you will have to buy them in two pieces. You'll buy the female and the male separate. And you get a pull tab that comes with the female portion of the tube. To install that, we're simply going to pull the tab through the hole in the lift gate, like so. And then we will girth hitch the pull it through the loop, pull it tight, and you now have your pull tab on your lift gate. Again, male, female come separate. Once you get them, standard tube buckle, push till it snaps, locks in, you're good to go. Again, your tubes will come in two different sizes. You have both your 4-inch and your 2-inch, and they will come in 4 different colors. So we will have our coyote, our foliage or manatee gray, our tan 499 buckle, and then your standard black. All right, next we want to cover on how to use and install tubes on some of our applications. First one, and probably the biggest question we get, is on our plate carriers, namely the instant adjust back panel. So we open this up from the factory. The instant adjust back panel will come with 4 tubes pre-installed, which will give you 2 settings on your cummerbund, both a large setting and a small setting. And we can move these, or we can add split bar tubes to increase the amount of adjustments you can do. To do that, all you're going to need is your split bar tube 4-inch and a tool to do it. We like to use pliers, but again, use whatever is comfortable with you. The easiest way to put these on is you're going to attach both the top barbs at the same time or the bottom barbs at the same time, and then work the opposite side on the webbing at whatever setting you choose to do. So we're going to go ahead and work that on with our pliers. Now that we have our tube fully seated in the webbing, now you can use that as another point of attachment or a different size in your cummerbund. Again, you can move these tubes anywhere you should need on the ladder system. Also, options that you can use with the split bar tube would be a variety of different accessories we offer. So we have our 4-inch tube male drop panel, which you can see installed on the bottom of the plate carrier. That allows us to attach a variety of accessories quickly on bottom of your plate carrier, whether it's a dangler style pouch, 40mm grenade pocket, or whatever accessory you should choose to use. This is an option as well. You can also do belt mounts or a variety of other mounts where you can attach that tubes buckle on, allowing you extreme modularity of your platform. If you have any questions, check out the website first-spear.com. Thank you.